Nakasakay na naman ata to. Dalawang beses na. Nako, paano kaya to? Aga-aga oh. Puro lang ako nagsasayang ng ano, ng gasolina.
Hello.
Hello ma'am,
Yes,
your ride?
kuya.
Ma'am, nandito na ako.
Yes.
Your ride po
Pick up
ito.
location.
What?
Okay. Pick up location.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. 1 minute, sir.
Alright. Thank you.
2,000 years later.
Yo, chang. Pangalan mo, what's your name? Audrey?
Prince Gregory.
What?
Prince Gregory. Drop off.
Drop off.
Yeah.
Please, Gory.
Can I have a shower cup?
Shark up.
Yeah. Hindi cash payment po.
No cash?
No cash wala. Walang pera.
Bakit wala ka pera?
Pera. Ano ba siya? Ano walang pera?
Bakit din wala ka pera? Yeah, tama. Yeah.
Wala.
This is original hair.
Yep.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Maganda.
Maganda. You like beautiful o maganda babae?
Babae.
You know babae? You
No.
know? Babae, girl. Women. Ah.
Yeah, please arrange it here. It's not okay. Yeah.
Yeah. What? Okay.
Hey, it's already in my head. My God. Have you connected this to this?
What?
It's sounding in my head.
Right hand?
It's okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Pipix lock the helmet.
Okay, I will do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Kuya. Yeah, good to go.
Okay, let's go.
Yep.
Sure?
Good. Sure.
Really?
Really?
Alright, let's go. Hoy, wala ka pera.
Wala ka pira. Okay, Arlena, wala ka pira. What does that mean? There's no money?
Why no money? Why no money?
No money. Walang pira.
Why? Why no money?
No, sir, in Tagalog. Come on, learn. How did you say that? Why no money in Tagalog?
Tagalog, wala pera.
Walang pira.
Walang
Okay.
pera.
Walang pira. Walang pira. Walang pira. Wala ka pira. Okay ka. Tagalog. I'm gonna learn.
Yun yung Tagalog, kunti lang. You hear, Mom?
Front.
Ron.
Have it easy here.
Yeah. Wait.
Okay po.
Okay. Are you alright?
I'm not alright.
Why? Because
Walang pera.
walang pera.
Walang pera.
You need to feel her. This is original hair.
Walang pera.
Ah, okay.
What are you doing? Okay, what are you doing?
This is amazing. Say hi my vlog. Hi, say hi my vlog.
Who is that?
You.
What is that? Your camera.
I'm a vlogger.
Why you doing camera? Why you use the camera for?
Because I'm a vlogger.
You're a blogger.
Yeah.
Influencer. So you're like that live?
No.
Is that live?
Live? No. No. This is remembrance. Say hi, please.
Hi. Hello guys.
Hello guys. Welcome to my vlog. Oi. Loading.
What happened? Oh no, the internet.
No internet, no signal.
Internet should not disturb, please.
Please, please.
I don't have much time. Allah, internet, don't do this to me.
Wala pera, wala pera.
I'm gonna give you 50,000.
50,000.
Yeah.
One-
510.
110.
510.
140.
No, 50.
50. 500?
50.
50?
Yeah.
Why?
Walang pera.
You're right, ma'am.
Walang pera.
Pastor, make it pastor. Mr. Sal. Wala Gcash, no Gcash, no money. sorry, sorry. 40 pesos. This is okay? 10 pesos. Grabe talaga to. Nagalimutan talaga to. Ano, cash. Okay. Okay. Go.
What kind of 1 peso is this? I don't know.
Oh,
Give me 1 peso. Walang 1 peso.
5. No, 5. Coins. Piso, piso. Piso only. 1 peso. Oh, 5. Oh, okay. Sabi talaga itong mga... Ay, naku, grabe. Turipot talaga. Hira yan.